Hi, boys and girls. Today, our scholastic lesson is about sea turtles. We've talked a lot about zoo animals this week with our letter Z, and they were in our math video about patterns. We talked about how God has given different creatures patterns on them. So today, we have another little zoo lesson, and it's about sea turtles. So I hope that you enjoy it.
Ocean of life. The ocean covers most of the earth. Thousands of kinds of plants and animals live in the ocean. From the sunny surface to the dark water deep below. The seashore is where the ocean meets the land. Clams and crabs dig in the sand. Mussels and barnacles hang onto rocks. Noisy birds fly around and look for food. Smooth, slimy seaweed sways in the ocean waves. Seals swim in the water near the shore. They come on land to have their babies. Now sail away from the coast into the open ocean. Lots of big, fast fish live out here. Some fish are blue. That works as camouflage in the ocean waters. Sharks can be even bigger and faster. Many of them live out in the open ocean. But fish aren't the only ones out here. Sea turtles, whales, dolphins, and jellyfish live in the open ocean too. They all stay pretty close to the surface of the ocean. But if you were to dive down into the deep water, you would find a whole new habitat. Sunlight doesn't reach down here. So some animals make their own light. Some deep water animals are pretty weird looking. This animal is called a Dumbo octopus because its fins look like big ears. One part of the ocean is the complete opposite of this cold, dark place. You can find a bright coral reef in warm, shallow water. Animals of all shapes and sizes live here. There's so much to explore in all of the ocean's amazing habitats.
I hope that you enjoyed seeing all of those creatures that God has made. I love seeing His creativity in all of His creatures. And I hope that you enjoyed seeing all of those in their habitat in the ocean. And then we will go through our magazine to learn more about sea turtles.